if you have creditors, if you have a bad name with more than one creditor, do you need to get letters from them all in order to rehabilitate yourself?
Yes, so in order for your debt counsellor, your registered debt counsellor, to issue that clearance certificate, all your unsecured debt has to be paid off. And like I said, in some cases it might happen that there's a consumer that had unsecured debt and then secured debt. But the unsecured debt must be all paid off, and your secured debt including a vehicle. It can only be a home loan that's still there, but like I mentioned, you have to pay the original installment. But don't stress too much about that. The debt counsellor will guide you along your journey before issuing your clearance certificate and send it off to your creditors and the credit bureaus to make sure that you're unflagged from being over-indebted and to be able to rebuild your credit score again.